Okay, guys, I had my first call last night for my cleaning business. Um, the guy wanted to know what I do, and I told him I do a standard cleaning. He wanted carpet cleaning. Um, so I did do a lot of communication with him and just let him know I'm new at this. He's willing to go get the vacuum, and he's willing to pay for the chemicals, etc. And I charged him by the hour if I'm going to do it. But doing some research, I'm just like, I underpriced myself, which is something I wouldn't want to do. And plus, I I feel like I need to know my limits because I'm over my head right now. If I do this, I don't have the extraction vacuum to dry the carpet, even though I probably could go get it. I do feel like this is not where I want to start. So he wants to call this morning, and I'm going to have to tell him I'm just not equipped at this moment to do this. I also need to make sure I get my insurance in place, and so that's what I'm working on. Yeah. So unfortunately, I have to say no.